Okay, hey guys, what's up? Thanks so much for coming to this video. Basically, just wanted to make this video a very quick video and basically talk about what's happening, like what's going on with my life or whatever. So yeah, I mean, I was posting a video, like my recent video was 5 days ago. It's very crazy how quickly like the days and the nights are just going very fast. It's just like, like I don't even know how quick now it's like 5 days, like my video that I posted basically 5 days ago. So just wanted to talk about, basically how, like, it's very crazy to be honest, okay? But like, I think this month I'm going to make like $2,000 with my Instagram business basically, or something around that. But it's still not finished. Like we have like 12 more days or something like that for November. But like so far, like right now I made $2,000. It's just crazy, man. Um, yeah, but like just wanted to like come very quick and talk about like what's happening. And like basically, if you guys know that, my goal is to become a millionaire, and just like how Gary Vee said, I have to document my journey and I have to show my failures and what's happening and all these things, because I'm sure not a lot of people like care about, like everyone wants to see your success. They all want to see like, you being in the top, and they're telling you that you're lucky or you're this and that. But like, I just want to like share my journey and see what's gonna happen. Let's just listen to Gary Vee because he's like the man. And that's why I'm making this video, because of him. It's like saying just make the video and post it, like don't even care what's happening, okay? So yeah, basically, it's very crazy. So yeah, I mean, right now I have so many orders, guys. Like some of you guys, not like a lot of you guys, just like 2 or 3 of you guys, basically said, like post more videos, do this, and like show more stuff which you're doing and all these kinds of things. Now, like I really want to post video, like I want to edit the video and make it very good, but like I really don't have time. Like I just think that I have to like hire a content, like a video curator or something, video editor, to edit the videos for me, because like I don't think I have so much time. Like right now I have like 2 orders that I have to finish just today, and like I don't even have time to like work on my stuff. So it's a lot of work, okay? Like I don't really have so much time, but in future I will do something to have more time and just like work on my own personal like brand, my YouTube and my Instagram. So yeah, guys, I mean, this is the reason. If you come to my Fiverr, what do you call it, like my Fiverr profile, you will see I have so many clients and so many orders, and that's why I'm not able to like post on YouTube. Like I really want to, I really wish to, and this is not even straight. So yeah, basically, guys, that's the problem. And yeah, I mean, this month I made like $2,000. I'm so near to that, maybe like 2,300 or something like this, because the month is not over, and I made like now I made 2,000 just in October. It's crazy, and I'm not telling you guys that it's possible and everyone can do it and blah 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 blah. It took me 3 years, okay? It took me 3 years to have the mindset, to have the skills, to just understand how everything works. And like for some of you guys, maybe it will not, $2,000 will not be like very something big, but for me it is, because I'm 19 years old. I'm not going to college. Like my school just finished like, I don't know, 5-6 months ago. So it is something good for me. Like it's just something good for starting point. But I'm sure like my goal is to, make 10,000 a month and get my first $1 million online. And that's what all I'm focusing on. Basically, like I'm working 12 hours a day, managing other people's Instagram pages and working on mine, and just like I just don't know how the days and the nights are overing, because I'm just too busy on working. But yeah, I mean, this is how it is. Like if you want to like achieve the same thing, you need the mindset, you need to work, you need the skills, you need to like change your habits. And for me, this is how it is. Like I'm not talking with so many people. I don't have many friends. I'm not hanging out. Everything I do is like all day at home, and sometimes I go out just to like have some like not fun. Like I just go and play a game just to like refresh my mind and all these kinds of things. But like I have to work. I have to work more harder. Yeah, I mean, nothing is easy, okay? Everything is just hard. Going to college and like getting your degree is freaking hard, but then who knows if you're gonna get a job or nothing. But I just don't believe in it, That's my own opinion on everything. And yeah, guys, I'm also started to like post code videos, because just like how Gary Vee says, do what you love, say positive stuff. And I think that's what I really want to do, and I really can do it. So instead of, I don't know, not posting, it's better to just post content every day and just like do something, okay? That's what it's about. So yeah, if you guys want to check out my videos, go to TikTok. You can just write today's cloud, the same as my YouTube. For now, I don't have Instagram personal because I don't think it's the time to start that. I think I'm more of like freelancer right now. It's very crazy, but I'm so happy, you know, like $2,000 a month is just good for me. Okay, but it's going to be more, don't worry guys. I'm already like predicting so many people will come and watch this video after 1 or 2 years, because they will just come, they will just see me succeeding and they will be like, how this guy do it, and they will come and watch my old videos. So that's one of the reasons I do it, you know, so documenting my journey. And yeah guys, so it's been like 5 minutes. So just wanted to like come quick and basically tell you guys that I want to post videos. I want to give you guys more value on how I do Instagram and how I do freelancing, and you know how you can make money online and these other things, and entrepreneurship journey and all these other cool stuff. But the problem is that I don't have so many times. I'm getting so many clients every day. They just order. They don't even talk to me. They just order, and I have to like finish the work. So I'm trying all my best. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching the video until the end. Thank you for staying with me. I made a video before this, how I became a level 2 seller on Fiverr. I'm gonna upload that basically after 2 days or something, whenever I got the time to edit that video, and then I'll post it, you know. So yeah, thank you, take care. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section, and take care, bye.